Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool, and my name is Brent, and today we are talking about sling tactical packs. Now these are really awesome for so many different things, and you can either wear them on the front or you can wear them on the back. Right now, that's why they're really convenient, but you can also see right through here, you have a little bit of a quick release. So if I just want to quick release this really quick, boom, it's off. And it's super easy to have, but I actually don't wear a lot of sling packs, and when I do, a lot of times I'm in the woods, but I'll actually wear them like this. And why do I wear them like this? Well, if you are on a tactical repair emergency, if you would, and you need to just get in there really quick, well, you got access to your nice little drill gun. Isn't that awesome? And there's a nice little pocket right through here, so in case that emergency repair arises, you got it. It's right there. Ha! What do you think about that? So, anyways, you got it right there. That's really cool. But if we take a little bit of a deeper dive, I'm going to show you everything that's going on with this waxed canvas sling pack, and it is tactical. And yes, I did say waxed canvas. Why is that important? Well, because it is water resistant, it's more durable, and it's made by Roaring Fire. Yeah, I don't know, cool name. Anyways, let's jump into it.
Engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry Mr. Kane.
Now let's take a closer look, and the first thing that we're going to talk about is this can holder on the side. And you never know, with a maintenance emergency you may need pest block right there, or the lesser known use for that, which is, well, I don't know, a water bottle. But you can see it does expand, and I'm going to close that right back up because it does have an expandable zipper. And as we take a look on the front of it, you can see it has a lot of utility. It has a lot of hooking places for carabiners to attach all the tools that you need. You can carry your rope or your extension cords in here. I did have an extension cord there, but not using it. So you can see I have all the essentials attached to my bag. So I've got my Gerber multi-tool right here. I've got my cooking utensils right here, as you can see. That's really nice. That's if I need to cleave or open a bottle. If I need to cleave some meat, and ooh, ouch. Yep. If I need to cut vegetables. So got that, the whole kitchen there, and then on the side they have some more loops right here. And again, got to have that backup, and there it is right there. This is great. So I'm going to take you around the whole thing here, but if we open this right here and we get in here, so we have some extra power in here in the form of batteries. So we got some batteries in there, and I just have to say, this fabric, this canvas is so supple. It's actually very impressive, all jokes aside. But if we take a look here, let's go ahead and open this wide up, and boom, there you go again. If you need to take a temperature, look at that, maintenance emergencies, 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Apparently I am not human, so let's just get out of there. You can hook your keys right here, so you have a nice little hook right there. And here, if you have a clip, a flashlight with a clip on it, you can put it right there, but it actually has two different, if you can see that right there, you can either do the more canvas or the stretch in the front. So depending on how big your clip or flashlight with a clip is, you can put it right there. That's actually really nice. You have your comms right here, so you can put your clip or a walkie-talkie clip in there. And then if you have another, another clip or multi-tool, this works out really, really good. That's nice to have right there. So I'm going to use the elastic side of that, and I'm just going to put that right there. But all in all, this thing's great. It's actually a pretty big pocket, and it has different fabric on the inside than the outside. It actually has a liner on the inside for full protection and a little bit more durability. They have shrink wrapped the ends of the nylon ropes that are here too, but man, it just feels so good. And one of my favorite things is, and I know this is going to be backwards, I don't know how to fix that, but they have the Velcro so you can put your favorite patches on. So you see I got my American flag, Live Free and Tool on, my friends, and then Still hunting. Still hunting, my friends. And don't worry, we got you there. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and just take a quick look what is in this top pocket. So here they have a mesh pocket, and it's hard to see, so I'm going to flip it upside down. I've got my charging cord in there, and then back here, just in case, well actually, can you see that? I got a little pocket right here. Let's pull that out. In case I have another maintenance emergency, I have a laser level right there. Look at that, all my friends. Yeah, look at that. So that fits right in here. Don't know else what you would put in there, but you know, that fits out really good. And then for this back pocket, I'm going to reach in here and pow, right there. This is my iPhone from, I think, 2008. I don't know, I'll still have it, but if I need emergency communication, satellite, or otherwise, other than ham radio, I've got it right there. So this is fantastic if I'm on a maintenance emergency. Now, one of the big things here that we need to do is we need to open this thing wide up, and we need to show you what's actually inside. So I got a big pocket right here, and can you see that? I got a bunch of stuff in there. I have a mesh pocket right here. So the mesh pocket, you can put whatever you want to, but it has a full zip, so it's going to keep it. So if you have change or quarters or loose bullets or anything else like that, you can put it in there. So for emergency purposes, I do have a battery pack right here. This is solar, and it has a crank on the back of it, so you can have continuous power no matter where you're at. And then you have all connections there, and then you can also magnetically charge. So that's great for in a survival situation if you're on a maintenance emergency. And what else do we have in here? And this is actually my drill cleaning kit. That's really cool to have in here. You got to make sure your drill's always clean, so it's drilling the right way, and you know how that is. And what else do we have? We have, our drill lube. You got to make sure it's lubed up so it doesn't burn out, and it keeps working the way that you need to. And then, also, you got to remember your PPE. I've got some really nice your ear protection here. This is great for whenever you're drilling loud things, and that'll protect you, and then you can hear everything around you. And then that just works out really great. And oops, I got to put the cap on that drill gun grease right there. And then what else do I have in here? So it's kind of cool whenever you open this up. You can you see that? You have a pocket right here, and it's actually really, it's pretty impressive how big it is in there, you know. So you can haul a laptop or some other things depending on, you know, what you're doing. But like I showed you before, you have a really cool pocket right back here. So all you have to do is zip, and you've got your drill, and you can fix whatever you need fixing on your maintenance emergency. So we're going to put that right back in there, and then we can carry it. And then if you really want to, on your strap, you have a couple connectors here for carabiners, whatever you want to have. And then you have this little pocket here. Not sure if a cell phone can fit in there nowadays, maybe 20, 35 years ago. You have a little strap right here, so let me just throw this around to the other side. So you do have a strap here in case you're going to slide it down onto a luggage holder or something else. But other than that, and all joking aside, this tactical sling pack is ideal if you're hitting the range. If you're in the woods, I always carry a chest pack with me whenever I'm in the woods for first aid. And really, I would carry first aid. I'd carry a few other things in here that I can't really say on YouTube, but I will tell you it's really nice to have a drill driver, drill gun in here so that you're able to have your maintenance pack ready and prepared. So let's just call this your go pack. If this was your maintenance emergency go pack, you've got everything you need in here. You're able to represent everything you need as well, and it's really convenient. So with a sling pack, you can just throw it back and forth and get it there. But Roaring Fire made this the way that things need to be made, and the fabric is super durable, and it's a double canvas fabric as well. So you're able to get the longevity and the life out of this that you need. It does have a handle up top, and it actually has a padded, really nice handle at the top of it. I don't want to forget that. Everything about it is actually really, really, really good quality, and I am surprised how good quality this is. That means it is costing a little bit. So if you're going to look to buy this is going to cost you right around 79 bucks. You may get a discount. Not really sure if Roaring Fire is going to give me a discount. However, all I have to say is I am really, really happy with this. Between the water resistance of it, but just the pure suppleness of it. It's not going to dry out. It's not going to do any of that with the wax on it. My name's Brent. Hey, this has been another review, and this is different, right? This is something really, really cool. You can use it for anything. What about your art supplies? You know, your tools, your maintenance supplies. What about your first aid kit? If you're going anywhere like that, if it fits your style, fits your needs, fits all the technical things you need to have in there. If you're going to be tactical and stay away from the strategic, you need to get into the nitty and gritty. Now, this is going to get you there. I hope that you all tune in next time and hop down below and check out the website for yourself. And if this is right for you, maybe give it a shot. But you have to do your own due diligence in order to make that decision. Can't wait to see you all in the next video. Hey, take care.